Welcome to SlowTalk English, the podcast that helps you learn English through calm, clear, and meaningful listening. Today's episode is about something that's changing the way people think about money, cryptocurrency. Maybe you've heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Maybe you've seen stories about people getting rich or losing everything. But what are these digital coins really? And where did they come from? Let's go back to the beginning. For most of history, people used things like gold, silver, or paper money to pay for things. But in the last 30 years, the internet changed everything. People started shopping online, sending money through apps, and using digital wallets. Still, all that digital money was controlled by banks. Some people didn't like that. They believed money should be free, not controlled by any government or company. So they started working on a new idea, money that lives on the internet, but that no one controls. That's where cryptocurrency comes in. The first real cryptocurrency was Bitcoin. The idea was introduced in 2008 when someone, or maybe a group, using the name Satoshi Nakamoto, published a paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Then on January 3rd, 2009, the first block of the Bitcoin blockchain, known as the Genesis block, was mined. That was the true beginning of Bitcoin as a working system. Bitcoin is a form of digital cash. You can send it directly to someone online. No bank, no middleman. It uses a special kind of technology called a blockchain. You can think of a blockchain like a public notebook. Anyone can read it, no one can change it, and every transaction is recorded forever. That's what makes it secure. And today, Bitcoin continues to operate on this same blockchain technology. In the early days, Bitcoin was worth almost nothing. But slowly, people started to believe in it. In 2010, someone paid 10,000 bitcoins for 2 pizzas, the first real purchase using crypto. Over time, more cryptocurrencies were created. One of the most famous is Ethereum, launched in 2015. It's like Bitcoin, but smarter. It lets people write programs called smart contracts that run automatically when certain conditions are met. This opened the door for new things like NFTs and decentralized finance, or DeFi. As crypto became more popular, the prices of coins went up. Some people became millionaires. Others lost a lot of money. Big companies and even governments started to take notice. In 2024 and 2025, we saw major changes. In the U.S., the government is now making new laws for crypto. They're trying to protect people from scams while still allowing innovation. Big investment companies are now buying Bitcoin for their clients, and earlier this month, Bitcoin hit a new record, over $118,000 per coin. At the same time, central banks around the world, in countries like Australia, Pakistan, and Brazil, are testing digital versions of their national money called CBDCs. These aren't cryptocurrencies, but they use similar technology. Their goal is to make money faster, safer, and easier to track. Still, crypto isn't perfect. There have been hacks, scams, and huge price crashes. Some project, like meme coins or fake tokens, took millions from investors and disappeared. Governments worry about money laundering and crime, and there are questions about the environment too, since early crypto mining used a lot of energy. So where are we now? Well, in 2025, crypto is no longer just for tech geeks. It's becoming part of everyday life. You can use it to shop online, invest, send money to family in other countries, or even play games. Some countries, like El Salvador, have made Bitcoin official money. Others are still deciding what to do. Meanwhile, Elon Musk's company Tesla still holds Bitcoin, and more people, especially young people, see crypto as a way to build financial freedom outside the traditional banking system. But the truth is, cryptocurrency is still new. The rules are still changing, and no one knows exactly where this story will go next. Some people believe crypto will replace banks. Others think it's just a bubble. Most likely, the future will be somewhere in between, a world where traditional money and digital coins exist side by side. So, is cryptocurrency the future of money? That depends on trust, technology, and time. But one thing is clear: the history of cryptocurrency is still being written, and you're living it. Thanks for listening. That was today's episode of SlowTalk English. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And remember, keep listening, keep growing.